Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chris Lee, and you're now watching the United Destiny Entertainment production. Make sure that you head over to our family TV channel and hit that subscribe button. Alright, guys, so what I'm about to be doing right now is basically painting Frieza on canvas using acrylic paint. I'm pretty excited about this video, but I'm going to try to keep it real short. Alright, so right here, what I'm doing is I'm taking the transfer paper. What I'm going to do with the transfer paper is outline the canvas. That way, once I actually tape it to the TV, then I can actually trace the portrait of Frieza inside of the proper dimensions so it can be proportioned right. Now, normally I will freehand or sketch it, but for the purposes of this video, I'm not. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys through the process, and I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe.
United Destiny Entertainment Productions.
Alright, guys, so first things first. The first thing that I want you guys to do before even jumping into this painting is have patience and trust the process. Know that once you go into this painting, it's going to take you a while to get it done, especially if this is your first time doing it. Now look, once you start slapping paint onto the canvas, you're going to feel a little bit discouraged, and you're going to feel like, yo, this is whack. This doesn't look like the picture at all. But trust me, trust the process, build layer after layer, put paint in the right places, and I promise you, the painting will come out dope. So just trust me, watch me through this process, and I will guarantee you that you're going to see this painting come together. All right, there's that word again. Trust the process. If you notice, if you look at the painting, you don't know exactly what it is, but you do know that something is happening there. Something is coming together. It may not turn out the way that you want it to right now, but trust me, if you just keep it going, it's gonna come together. This is one thing that I try to tell my wife about all the time, because she is so dope. She is so talented when it comes to doing this art stuff, and I tell her all the time, trust the process. It may not look good at first, but continue to build on layer after layer, and it's going to turn out good.
United Destiny Entertainment Productions.
All right, guys, so by this time I should have already made you guys into believers. Like I said before, trust the process. If you see what I did, the painting is starting to come together. It's starting to be a little bit more clear of what this painting actually is and what it's gonna be. What I did with the background was I added like a gradient, and the gradient was using like white and this purplish burgundy type color. The reason why I did that was because it made my Frieza painting pop off the canvas and kind of give me like some 3D dimension. That inspired me and motivated to get this thing done, because now I'm feeling pumped about it. One thing I want to point out to you guys is the same color that I used in the background was the same color that I used in the eyes. That helped this painting go together. I feel motivated. It's starting to look like a real Frieza painting. Just trust the process, keep building layers on layers, and believe me, the painting will turn out dope. Let's keep watching and see what happens next. All right, guys, so at this point, I'm pretty sure that you guys are feeling pretty inspired and motivated to go ahead and grab a canvas and some acrylic paint and start painting. Look at that detail. Look at the detail that the black lines have brought out the entire painting. Think about how it started to where it's at right now. Right now, I'm just working on a lot of the details, the outline, and then I'm also gonna be working on a lot of the highlights on the faces, the highlights in the eyes. These are the things that's gonna make the painting pop off the canvas. This is what's gonna bring it to life. This is like the icing on the cake. You worked on the foundation, the bread and the butter, but this is the icing on the cake. This is gonna make the painting absolutely come to life. This is gonna make it feel more realistic. So stay tuned, keep watching. Let's see where this painting is gonna go. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave me some comments and let me know what you think. All right, guys, so check it out. This is the painting. This is the unfinished version. Basically, let the painting sit and dry some so I can see what the colors actually look like after they completely dry. Now I can go back and fix some of the imperfections along the top, some of the lines, some of the imperfections in the faces, the edges, even some of the imperfections in the eyes. That's nothing to beat yourself up about. You can fix that all in the detail stage later. And for the most part, I'm pretty happy with what it looks like for right now. And here it is. This is the final result. If you notice, the colors are popping. They're very vibrant. The detail in the background definitely helped this painting come to life. I feel like this golden Frieza did come to life. Look at the detail in the eyes. This painting just looks dope. For something that I did in a short amount of time, I'm pretty happy with it. For the most part, it inspired my kids to want to do art. As you can see, they're actually working on some Dragon Ball Z stuff, and my son even did a portrait himself. So he's pretty inspired. If you're inspired, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.